Hello, I'm the Bootman, and I'm going to show you how to make the lightsaber. The lightsaber is very interesting to make. If you see, first you will get the central. If you put in haircut and put, then you can get there. It's done. But there is gonna interesting way. If you see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About and 6. You can choose your own design for lightsaber, and it's very interesting. You can put light here, but long like light, and yeah, it's very interesting and if you see, it's like a strong man or the Hallelujah, and yeah, it's very good for some reasons like theaters or if you got cool house design, you can choose with your wood jobs and make this. And of course I get a little of that, but it's good, and you can do this good, easy, and watch this. It's very interesting and cool design for everyone. Thanks for watching.